Hello, everyone, and welcome here. I'm yours, Mary, the Share Lady, and today we'll just jump straight into the video. So today is that day. I'm not at my best also, but I have to do something. As you can see, it's a lot of mess here. It's so messy. I just have to make sure that some things are just in order before we continue with with the rest of the activities. And jumping straight into the business of the day, I want to clean my kitchen. Yeah, my kitchen needs some loving, some cleaning. I plan to do some reorganizations in the cabinet here and there today. So let's see how it's all going to work out. So the motivation behind today's cleaning is because for like over 2 weeks past, I have been postponing to do a deep cleaning on my kitchen and reorganize the kitchen, just replacing things and putting things in different spaces to make the kitchen function even much better. But I've been busy in a way, so I've not been able to do that. And today I just have to just push myself because I'm not at my best. I'm really not at my best today, but I have to push myself to see what I can do. So let's just do this.
I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost, but let's get lost in love.
Yeah, so it's been a couple of months since we moved into this house. We relocated here, and I'm saying this for the purposes of our new subscribers, our first time viewers, and I'm just grateful for this kitchen. Yeah, so looking back to where we started, especially with this channel. Yeah, so for those people who are here in the beginning, looking back to where I started this channel from, that kitchen was so tight, was super tight, and I used to just want to be in a bigger kitchen space because I think most of the time I'm usually in the kitchen, and I was always yearning, I was always looking forward to just having a spacious kitchen, and especially with the storage. And this far I appreciate a lot. I really appreciate a lot, for the chance to be able to being in this place, to be able to have this kitchen. It's not like it's 100 out of 100, but looking back to where I started, this is a win for me right now.
Damn lost to what I loved and what I lost, but let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head, it's telling me to say the night again and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day.
From here, guys, enjoy the music in the background. Also, I hope you get motivated. I hope you get inspired to work on your spaces as well. So enjoy watching.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like it'd been waiting my whole life. Is this so? I can hear each sound calling
So before I started, I thought I had a lot of utensils to clean, but now that I'm done, I've realized it was not that much. So I'm moving ahead to wiping off the cooker, and then I'll proceed to wiping off the other surfaces.
Clouds are stirring up the sky. I was always in denial of what I saw right in front.
So when it comes to my kitchen appliances, I've tried to make it a habit to always wipe off the top daily. So that's what I'm doing right now. And just because I do it on a daily doesn't necessarily mean that there's no dust.
And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love.
Yeah, and the reason why I use a white towel on this, you can see here. Yeah, you can see how dusty it is.
Tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to say tonight again. And hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts. So jump into a love that won't be
So the next part that I want to clean is the drawers.
forgotten. Forever, forever. Let's run away together.
So when I say that this kitchen needs deep cleaning, here is a clear example of what I'm talking about. You can see, yeah, it's just evident that I need to just deep clean the entire like storage spaces here.
Let's run away together. Let's run away together. I wanna run away with you. Let's run away together. Let's run away. Let's run away together. Let's run away. Swear we'd never say goodbye. Fall asleep to lullabies with something that I thought I'd never find. And what is right and what is wrong, and all I ever saw was love. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to say the night again. And hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another
Yeah, so after cleaning for over an hour plus, yeah, plus a few minutes, I've decided to stop here. I'm still not at my best yet, so I'm thinking I should have another day to just do what I was planning to do today, because I'll not be able to do that. But it's fair to say that now it looks clean. Yeah, so these other drawers at the bottom and the middle one I have not touched. Yeah, so this is what I'm saying that I need to, I don't know when, but I'm hoping soon I'll have time to work on that. But I managed to arrange this first one.
I can hear it sound.
overall the place is clean. I can confidently say it's clean now, and it's functional at the same time. So the floors are clean already, so I didn't have to do that. Yeah, so we are going to stop here on today's video. Thank you so much for your time, and definitely I'll be seeing you on the next one.